Di mo na ako florista for today's video mga B. Itong cowork kong babae ang gagawa ng kanyang arrangement.
Yeah, Komi, trainer ka na?
Yes, of course, the trainer is a training.
So we will train about
our cowork rings.
So I tell him na slicer
Ang floral sponge.
OMG ate, it's not the center. It's a guideline.
Ayan oh.
We cut properly, slowly cutting
Sponge.
until into the end of time.
And she break it gently.
Like a broken heart.
And then I told him,
Her pala,
I slice again the center.
because it's not kasha on the lalagyanan.
So she put inside,
But it's not the finish yet.
add some kalso.
So that bundat
it will not be shaken in a way.
it will be stable.
So we added more kalso.
Pick it properly.
Slowly but surely.
He don't analyze
What is the meaning of this?
we addition subtraction
or some pangkalso.
so it will be beautiful.
So we put more.
until on more and more.
This is the fake
flowers that he buy.
she buy in the kamsa-kamsanes.
Anyways,
he cut the center.
because there's a tali inside.
Then I told him to cut.
She shelled it purals.
Then I show him how to cut.
Make it harder.
Then he put the first flower.
It's too early.
She put again another flower and he cut.
Make it harder
Until it broken into pieces.
Then she put it again on the second side.
OMG!
Another third wheel.
Like a love story.
So we saw some chismis.
So I told her,
put more flowers.
So she cut the small flowering.
She addition and subtraction and divided
flowers into pieces.
one by one.
Amazing, huh?
The past learner.
I'm a good English teacher.
O, diba?
After I finish,
You also finish.
I have no work now.
Maybe I will go to Philippines.
But wait, there's more.
We will add more sunflowers.
The sides.
Because there's so many machismis.
And the Marites will know.
And then she told her,
I will put this one.
OMG, you put it now.
But waiting on the waiting
you
shed.
put something like this one.
So it will stand alone.
Stick is essential
To the life and the scotch tape will be added.
Napakagaling ko talaga mag-English.
And I'm telling her
to cut it here.
O, diba?
Sabi ko, sister, you insert here.
Hey, insert there.
Diba? What a fantastic job he did.
She did.
They did. She did.
And then he cover.
So the mosquito will not bite.
And it will not be panis-panis.
Spanish is the
Very essential.
Then she grabbed the ribbon.
Then it twirling it make it
you know what I mean?
be perfect and
To security.
so the gift will be not be allowed
To get outside of the vicinity.
and then he makes sure
she
to make it beautiful.
Sakit ang ulo ko.
And then
Already finished.
what a fantastic job, Ness.
OMG.
I will go to the Philippines.
I will become now a teacher.
Thank you, Teacher Komi.
You're welcome.
So see, Watusi.
This is the outcome of the events.
For now today's video,
I'm not a florist.
I'm an English teacher.
I'm told you talaga. I'm told you
Get
talaga.
out of my class!